we get the results and the insights report, which it generates. And we get the insights report up. So we have one script, 2 locations. We get to see the impact, how long transactions took, and we get a grading on how many transactions were at certain levels. Then the home network versus the office network, we can drill into that, and we can get a graph initially by virtual location, so the home network versus the office network, and then we get a hover for the home page, maybe a hover for the other page. We can go to a grid by transaction. So I can clearly see the home network took 49 seconds versus 16. Let's drill into that. And now I get some recommendations. I can drill down and I can see that just by reducing one network, I can drill right down to the individual resource. Or I can slide in on one, find a large one, and then I get to see the request, the response, the time breakdown, the resource, and the recommendation. I also get to see if it was a mobile. In fact, the recommendation went down. I can drop into analysis, see all the individual pages, look at the resources being used for all the pages, and understanding what's happening. And then download by time. There's recommendations that I could go and drive into specifically, and it'll take me to that recommendation for that resource. I can do a resource analysis, endpoint latencies, I can see how long endpoints were, and then I can get a summary for HTTP, SSL, etc. and TCP. So the intent here is this will give you enormous amounts of information to see how many transactions were run in different layers with good summary information and optimization grades. This is considerably more than normal load runner. That's all.